G, I think. And then maybe a C.
Right there.
Okay. Back to G. Right.
Hey, Stevie, Adrian, Kintaro. What's that pretty little ditty you're playing there?
Well, actually, as a matter of fact, Chris, it's a song written about a dog by another dog that's very much in love with that first dog.
Wow! You know what I love is like going to the dog bowl in the park and just watching all the dogs. And like, what would they say to each other if they could speak?
Woof, woof.
Or like, what if they could sing? What would they sing to each other?
Awoo! Chris, it's so funny you're asking these questions because this song is actually from an original musical composed by Stevie,
Chris,
Adrian,
Kintaro.
and it's about exactly what you just said. It's called Dog Park Jamboree.
Wow! Well, are we having a doggone good time doing it?
You bet your bottom collar. And a 1, 2, 3. I love you, June, more than the dawn, more than the smell of rain or wind, more than howling at the moon, which I do often when I think of you.
Dog Park Jamboree!
we got it?
No, hold.